Hey, Eric!
Hey, what's up, Douglas?
How you doing today?
Doing good. Just been extremely busy, so I figured I would try and catch up with everyone quickly and get a quick update.
Yeah, well, good. Yeah, I know we hadn't seen you back here this morning or yesterday morning.
I've been working on secret projects.
Ah, good.
We shall see. We shall see where those land us in a few weeks. But
everybody needs a secret.
Yeah. I was also busy doing a photo shoot with this beauty.
Yeah, that's right.
So
downtown Fort Worth?
No.
Yeah.
We didn't make it that far. We were running out of daylight, so we just found like an old abandoned building in Everman. What better place?
Mini bike ranch?
We need to. I hope so this weekend. I think this weekend we're supposed to be building the track out with some dirt.
Oh, yeah?
Getting some berms and some tabletops. I don't know. I don't know what Casey has up his sleeve. I'll have to go find out here in a little bit.
I haven't been working on mine. Too much wet weather. And
I'm excited to go ride.
Under the tarp. Yeah, you should be. You need to get one for
Leanna?
the wife. Yeah.
Yeah. I need to let her have mine and then just upgrade.
Get a bigger one now.
Get a bigger one now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you have going on here?
We are doing some wiring still without my coach Zach.
I see he left you at the helm.
All of Zach's fans, you know, need to wish him well. He's got the strep throat, and so we're trying to do it without him here.
I bet you're really missing him right now.
You know, he's fun to work with.
I bet.
And he'd answer all my little wiring questions and get me moving on to the next bundle of wires. So I'm just matching and going back and forth. Whatever he's done on the blue gray truck, then I'm matching that right now.
Wonder how much what?
Wonder how much that would cost. You'd probably be like kicking me.
It'd be a little pricey. So, how's another day going on this beast?
It feels like Monday. Today's Tuesday though, right?
Yep.
It feels like Monday.
Oh man.
Cold this morning to start with, and it's actually started to be pretty nice, and then now it's starting to get cold again. But I had a badass sandwich for lunch. That's for sure.
You had a badass sandwich?
Badass sandwich.
Nice. Where'd you go?
Me and Austin went to Potbelly's. Got the wreck.
Dude, Potbelly's is legit. I hadn't been there in a while. Where's the closest one?
The one that we went to was on Hewlin, over there by the mall.
Right off 20.
Yeah, right off the 20. So we went over there, grabbed a little sandwich, came back. It was good. Now the owner of this came in a few minutes ago. Kind of lined him out on where we are on it. Seemed pretty happy. We got the outer wheel wells are on. Both the drop downs are in and welded out. Outer wheel houses are welded out. Both the quarters are back on with tech screws. And now I'm kind of hacking up the floor to do subframes. I've already kind of made a piece to go up in there to fit the floor and fit the bottom of the subframe. This will go from the front of the factory frame rail. It'll attach to the back of the front frame rail and then go up through the floor and then go attach back where the torque box is inside the car. So those have got to be fitted. I haven't got very far to do it. I got parts of it on, but I definitely got to keep plugging away to make it right. There's a lot of fitment on through the floor subframes, so I'm having to work with that. Try to get it just right so it fits right. You essentially have to make the floor fit that contour just right at an angle. So you got to cut it the right width and length to make sure it's not pushing on the floor and on. That's what I'm working with now. But I'm happy so far, I guess. Package trays done, or not package tray, the front apron and all that stuff done and welded out. I put a light coat of semi-flat black paint on it, just to kind of dress it up. And I know it's gonna be a while before this gets in the body shop, so I don't want it to rust up. That's what I'm doing.
What's going on, man?
How's it going?
Good.
What are you up to?
I'm just filming an update. What's your name?
I'm Tim.
Tim?
Yep.
Where are you from?
Madison, Wisconsin.
Nice.
Actually, Wanakee, Wisconsin.
Wanakee.
Yep. So down here working
that's
with
far
Casey.
north, huh? Now you're
Yeah,
down south.
Yeah, it's cold up there. It's cold here at night though.
Yeah. Yeah.
So pretty much the same.
What are you working on back here?
71 Challenger convertible. Doing the floor was messed up on this side over here. It was hit at one point, and somebody just mudded it up, and this is still all bent in. They just mudded it to fit. So we took all the mud and everything out, and it was into the floor. So we actually put a tower on and pulled so that we straightened the structure back out, and then we put in a new floor because it was pretty bad. It was pretty mangled up. So we put in new floor sections, and now we're working on the trunk floor because it was rusted out in the back by the taillight panel. So now we're taking the floor out of the trunk and putting in a new one.
Man, I'll be getting after it.
Yeah.
When did you get into town?
Sunday night. Sunday afternoon,
night.
yeah.
Wow.
So we came by, looked at some stuff, and then we started Monday morning. So we got after it, yep.
Yeah, I saw y'all going at it yesterday.
Yeah, we're trying to get it done. So kind of not a rush job, but a get her done quick job.
Right.
So yeah, it's going really good. So everything's coming back together nice, and once we got that pull done, we were able to fit the floor and everything back in. We were able to straighten everything out nice. So, and now it's all fitting back together like it should, and got all the plug welds back in there, and now onto the trunk floor. So then we'll be working on the quarter a little bit too. We got some other parts coming for where it was crushed. That outer wheelhouse was crushed, so we're gonna get a new outer wheelhouse too. Put that in there and make it all pretty again.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
How long are you gonna be here?
I'm gonna be here till I leave Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah,
oh wow.
Saturday morning. So.
Y'all are trying to pound this out all week then. Huh?
Yeah, we're gonna get a bunch done. So.
Well, man, I might be throwing up some GoPros back here the next few days then.
All right, sounds good.
Come here, Eric.
What y'all doing? Just taking this up there to get primed?
Yep.
Not much of a Bruce update, but maybe I can get it while we're walking.
Same different days.
Come on, dude. There we go.
You don't want to go backwards?
Oh, dude.
You're just carrying it straight to the headwind?
Just carry it like a parachute.
Hey, when's that DNA test you're supposed to be in?
I don't know.
We gotta have a YouTube unveiling.
It's gonna be a couple.
What is Bruce?
It's gonna be a couple more weeks.
Alright.
Is.
What is this? Look at this.
What's that?
Look at this thing. Man, fresh off the Chinese boat.
That's made in, yeah, it's probably made there.
It's alright.
That's okay.
We buy them and break them.
That's pretty much all that is. See if it holds up to our abuse.
You just get that thing together? Have you cranked it yet?
No. Keith went to get the race gas.
Oh, race fuel.
It's the only way we roll. So now I'm ready to race you and yours, now that I've got one.
either Ultimates or no, it's a car.
That'd be pretty rad, huh?
Yeah. The 140 versus the 125. We got totally different suspension setups though, so that'd be interesting. You're a lot lower to the ground. Sit on this thing. I want to see what this looks like.
See how BA I look on this thing? Not too bad. See though, this on my bike,
Uh huh.
you ain't got one of these.
Yeah.
You ain't got one of these.
Well, I wasn't paying attention when I bought it.
That's my bad.
It's all right. Hey, well, I'm beginning anyway, so.
Alright. You gonna come out this weekend or what?
Yeah. What's the sitch on Friday? Are we still building the track,
I want to.
or modifying the track? Not really building it.
Yeah,
Making it better.
That's the plan. That's what I think we need to do. It needs it. Because we'll all get so bored of just going. I mean, everybody left after we built one more jump in the berm. You know what I'm saying? So the berm will make it fun, and then we got the one more jump. So you've got 2 jumps now and a good berm to cut in to turn.
The other jump you're doing is just a tabletop like the first one?
I want to do a big tabletop. I want it to be about 2 foot, about this tall. But I want it to be a slow, so it jumps. So you jump out.
Did you just hold that at your hip and then say 2 feet? So you're only 4 foot tall?
Maybe.
What's going on with
if I'm only 4 foot tall, what's that make you? 3'2"?
Yeah, pretty
3'3"?
We don't talk about those things. Everybody wants to know what the new shop update is. Do you have anything to say to that? If not, I don't have to.
New shop update right now, it's on hold because a couple different endeavors that we're getting ourselves into.
Big future plans.
Big future plans. So it might slow down the new shop plans for a little bit. And I don't care if everybody knows this. It's, you know, we'd like to try to make this more permanent for a little while than what we had hoped it to be. But I think it'll only help our future. So looking out for the team.
You guys will find out soon.
We'll know real soon.
We just gotta wait on stuff to wrap up.
If everything comes together like we hope, in a couple weeks we'll reveal some really cool stuff. And still car related.
Yes.
So we'll see.
What's up with the Chevelle? It's looking nice and
It's in final
flawless
prime, man.
and
I
final
gotta
prime.
get the gas tank put in it. We're gonna make, the customer wants a hole in the floor with like an access panel to the fuel pump so they don't have to drop the tank. We gotta put the fuel tank in it, set that up, and then once that's done, and take it off, put it on the rotisserie, and do a little work on the bottom. And while we're doing that, get the frame powder coated, and then we'll bring it back and put it back on the chassis, paint it, buff it, get it together. Won't be too long. That thing will be in the hot rod shop getting finished. Look good. What'd you get? You get so scared, man.